Should I focus on a large number of keywords in my SEO and PPC campaigns, or would it be more effective to target a smaller, more refined list to improve daily sales from 1 to around 8 to 15 units? Let's go layer by layer. Should I focus on a larger number of keywords in my SEO and PPC campaigns, or would it be more effective to target a smaller, more refined list? Option 2, smaller, more refined list. Think of it this way. You have a limited capacity. You have to ensure you are covered for that limited capacity. Now, when it comes down to keywords, if you're going to add all the 1,000 keywords in your campaigns and your SEO and so on, you cannot track that, right? So I would highly advise in this scenario, take 5, 10 keywords that must be highly relevant for your product and then add them wherever is most relevant. Title is the first thing. So if you have even the one keyword and adding it into the title, and then the next day you're going to look into, all right, am I ranking organically higher for this particular keyword? That is a good proof that it works. I added this into my SEO, so I added it into my title. Let me see on the PPC end if I'm going to target that particular keyword in PPC. Now that I also have it in my title, am I going to become more relevant? Highly likely that you are, because you already are indexing for that particular keyword, especially when someone would look up your product with that specific keyword. You're going to be the first ones showing up, depending on how many other competitors have that keyword. So I would go into, all right, what is the bandwidth? What is the limit? Is it 1 keyword? Is it 5 keywords? Is it 10 keywords? I will go with the 1 keyword, see the outcome there, and then add more up to 5 and see, can you sustain that? And if you can sustain, great. We're going to reply now to the second question. What is the ideal number to aim for to improve daily sales from 1 to around 8, 15 units? First off, you will have to find what success looks like to duplicate it. In this scenario, you're assuming that one thing is going to work. Unfortunately, what we're seeing on our end, and Amazon is like proving us day by day, that's not the case. So you will always need to see, am I able to target this particular keyword in my title and also in my PPC campaigns? First off, am I converting for that keyword? Because if yes, great. At least you generated the 1 sales or 2 sales. Now, in this case, if you said you have the 1 sale, then you would be looking into, all right, so now I can generate those 2 sales. Next is going to be, again, with advertising. Can I have the specific keyword now in a different match type to bring in even more sales? We were talking just a few minutes about exact match versus broad match. So if right now you're targeting in the exact match, which you should, if you are testing this keyword and you want to rank for it, then what you can do, all right, this keyword now works for me. Let's add it into a different match type, this more discovery type of campaign, not ranking campaign, such as exact match campaigns. Again, it worked, you're bringing in 5 sales. Now you know that that keyword works for you. How can I maximize it even more? Because that's what you're going to end up with. And most people, I believe that they are not getting this, is the way how keywords work is each word itself, it has its own root, right? And that if you have one root, for example, here, this is going to be a cat mug. Everything that is with cat and mug and something related to this item or starts with cat mug or has cat mug in it, it's going to be more highly relevant for Amazon. So then you're going to rank not only on the cat mug keyword, but you're going to rank on any keyword that is highly relevant to that keyword. Technically, what you're doing is with implementing only just the 1 keyword, you're going to bring up more and more keyword. When it comes down to how to duplicate success, I would first define what success looks like and then test it until you have proof that it works and you can duplicate that.